Talk to me a little bit about what the course means to estate planning lawyers in the state of Illinois as you know it, and what it's meant to you as well.
When I was a young attorney, first learning, it was the course that I would go to every year to learn the most in a concentrated amount of time over 2 days about recent developments as well as other issues in estate planning and estate administration. And this year's course, I think, will be very important because there have been a lot of changes, both with respect to federal law, as well as a number of Illinois legislative changes over the past year that'll be discussed at the course.
That's great. Can you keynote a couple of those changes that you think are important at this point?
Sure. One of the changes on the Illinois side is there's now an Illinois qualified terminable interest property election, an Illinois state-only Q-tip election, which will help practitioners navigate the problems that arise when we have a federal exclusion of $3.5 million, but an Illinois exclusion of only $2 million for estate tax purposes. So that'll be one of the important Illinois legislative developments. On the federal side, well, as we sit here right now, we have no idea what the estate tax rules will be next year. Will we have any idea by April or May of 2010? Well, we certainly hope so. And so I'm sure there'll be a lot of discussion about whatever those new rules are, which may be temporary or may be permanent, depending upon what Congress does.
Right. It's kind of one of those incredible years where it could be all, it could be nothing.
Right. And there's uncertainty on the Illinois estate tax as well. Technically, it sunsets at the end of 2009. So we can hold our breath and see if by the time the course rolls around, if Illinois has reinstated the Illinois estate tax.
I would imagine, I know you and Larry have worked very hard bringing the course up to date, but I would imagine as we get this news, we'll probably be trying to inject that into the course as much as possible, given the uncertainty that's out there this year.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely. We'll keep our speakers on their toes.
We've hit upon these points, but just to kind of reiterate a little bit, 3 or 4 key reasons why people should attend this course this year if they've never attended before, and even if they have, reasons that they might want to come back again.
Well, they absolutely want to be there to hear the recent developments, which could be as recent as what's coming in on Hamilton's BlackBerry as he's speaking. Never know. They definitely should come to hear the speakers who will be addressing some of the estate and trust administration issues. Stacy Singer will be addressing some of the issues that face fiduciaries. And they really should come and learn about how they're going to be able to modify their trusts using the new Illinois Virtual Representation Act.